This is gonna help you get longer lashes, and I've been using it on my eyebrows because I'm trying to get my eyebrows to grow back. Comes like this, nice pretty gold packaging. This is what it looks like. So when you have your lashes without, mascara and liner on, you're just gonna put it on the lash line, almost like you're putting on eyeliner. And that's it. And then I've been using it on my eyebrows. So I just draw it all over my eyebrows and a little bit above them and where I want to fill it in. And now I'm waiting for the growth to start happening. So I just got this. If you're like me and you're looking for something to get your eyebrows to be thicker and your lashes to be more luscious, I definitely say try this out. It came highly recommended to me, and it has really good reviews on Amazon too. So it's 100% your own lashes, nothing, no glue, nothing like that. And then again, I'm trying it on my eyebrows too because I want to grow them to get them a little bit more. You just don't want to get it in your eyes. You're going to use it once daily on your clean skin, clean eyes, all that stuff. I already have makeup on, so I'm not going to put it on right now. You're going to see the improvement on your lashes in 4 to 6 weeks. So again, I'm only in week 1. But I'm hopeful that this is gonna make a huge difference, not just in my lashes, but really in my eyebrows. That's where I'm trying to focus it, is on the eyebrows.